Introducing the Swatch Cutter, your precision tool for effortless and accurate fabric sample cutting. Designed for textile professionals, designers, and quality control labs, this compact device helps create uniform fabric swatches in seconds. Create samples on any size as per your requirement. This Swatch Cutter low maintenance and easy to store. The Swatch Cutter is your ideal partner for lab, showroom, or workshop environments. Contact us for more information.